Hello, my friend. You know, it is such a blessing to have the beauty of nature around you. And it is such a blessing to have your body that can move you about and do all the tasks you need to do in order to survive and thrive. Never underestimate the precious presence of nature and your own physical body. My friend, it's all too easy to take it for granted, but it doesn't last. Your presence in this physical world and in this body are a temporary arrangement, and it's up to you to make something of that time you have that arrangement available to you. So think about that, my friend. Think about how you want to use that time, and think about what you are doing with that time, and whether you are maximizing that privilege that is yours. Ask yourself what you want out of this day. Ask yourself what you want out of your presence in the world. What is your gift? What are you spreading around? Are you spreading misery around yourself? Or are you spreading something around you that lifts people's spirits and that allows the world to become again perceived as something precious, as a wonder, as a place of magic? The magic that is yours, my friend, to either perceive and do something with, or ignore, or trample all over. It's up to you, my friend, what you do with it. And whether you pay attention or not, and whether you are willing to be accountable for what you do with it, and whether you are allowing it to nurture you and feed you and put you back on your feet, even when things have been difficult, on your feet and moving again, my friend, and appreciating the riches and the beauty in your life. That, my friend, is up to you, entirely in your own hands, your own mind, and your own feet. So let's see what you do with it, my friend. Let's see how you implement your privilege of being alive and what you make of it. All the best. Don't waste it.